In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up SMS marketing for your Shopify store using Klaviyo. This tutorial is designed to be simple and straightforward, so by the end of it, you'll have a solid understanding of how to effectively set up SMS marketing and get started with your campaigns. To begin, we're going to start by navigating to the Settings section within your Shopify account. You'll find this conveniently located at the bottom left corner of your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, go ahead and select the Checkout option. This is the area where we'll be focusing on configuring your marketing settings. As you find yourself in the Checkout settings, take a moment to look for the section called Marketing Options. It's here that you'll want to enable SMS marketing for your store. This step is crucial as it allows you to utilize SMS as a channel to communicate with your customers directly, offering a personal touch that emails sometimes can't achieve. After enabling SMS, you'll notice an option labeled SMS app. Clicking here will direct you to the Shopify App Store. This part of the process is exciting because you're about to discover and select a third-party SMS app that integrates seamlessly with your Shopify store. The App Store will present you with a variety of SMS apps to choose from, each designed to cater to different needs and preferences. Though it might be tempting to just pick the first app you see, take a little time to consider the features and pricing of each option. Some might offer automation, others could have advanced analytics, and some might be tailored for specific types of campaigns. Once you've made your choice, it's time to install your selected SMS app. Many Shopify merchants opt for the Klaviyo app because of its comprehensive integration with Shopify and strong reputation for driving results. Installing your SMS app is as simple as following the prompts provided. The setup wizard will guide you through the necessary steps to ensure everything is configured correctly. Every SMS app will have its unique setup process, so it's important to carefully follow the instructions specific to the app you've chosen. Generally, you'll need to connect your store, import your customer list, and customize your campaign settings to align with your brand's messaging strategy. And there you have it. With these steps complete, you've successfully set up SMS marketing for your Shopify store. You're now equipped to create engaging SMS campaigns that can help drive sales and boost customer engagement. Remember, the key to successful SMS marketing is to keep your messages relevant and timely, ensuring your customers feel valued without being overwhelmed. Thank you for watching, and happy marketing!